Are you wondering when is a great time for you to create your course? If you make it now, will it succeed? Or should you wait? Let's answer your question in this video. Hey there, I'm Myrra, and I'm a kingdom-driven entrepreneur, author, and online course creator and strategist, and I help women entrepreneurs package their God-given gifts into profitable and transformational online courses. Now, before moving on, please consider hitting the subscribe button below if you want more content that will help you build a life of purpose, freedom, and impact. I recently received an email saying, Myrra, creating a course is on my mind every day, but I don't know when is a good time to go for it. Now, me being me, I thought that this is something that a lot of people may be having concerns or questions about, so I'd like to address it in this video. When is the best time really to create your online course? Now, I don't want to waste your time anymore, so my honest answer, now. Now is the best time to create your online course. If you have been thinking of creating an online course for so long, then I think it's time for you to stop procrastinating on it and start finally taking a step towards it. I am an avid believer that there's a reason why God drops seeds of desire in our hearts. If something is frustrating you and you want to change it, or you want to teach other people about the lessons you have learned before, or you want to teach them or share to them how to do things differently on the area that you want to teach in your course, then I believe there's a reason that God's calling you to it. Maybe He wants you to become the solution in that particular area. I believe we are His hands and feet in this world, and He's always there guiding us to where He wants us to be, and He wants us to serve and help the people that He is calling us to help. And what better way to package and use the gifts that God has given you than create a course that will make an impact and help and transform lives of other people, right? Now, that said, other factors why now is the best time for you to create a course are the following. Number one, according to the market research firm Global Industry Analysts, the global e-learning market is set to climb to at least $325 billion by 2025. The industry has boomed, especially during the pandemic, when everything, including education, has become more digitalized. Second, more and more people work from home or wherever they want. More people are investing in courses because they recognize and appreciate the fact that they can learn in their own time and pace and wherever they want, as long as they have Wi-Fi connection. Third, more people are upskilling and want to add to their wealth of knowledge and broaden their portfolios. Courses aren't just all about business and marketing. It could be about anything. There are courses in learning guitar, piano lessons, parenthood, motherhood, marriage restoration, baking, cooking, gardening, and so many more. Now, at this point, if you are still thinking whether this is the right time for you to create your online course, consider the following prompts. Do you have a talent, skill, or passion that you want to share or teach other people with? For example, photography. What about it? Can you teach wedding photography to people who want to be wedding photographers themselves? Or maybe some couples who want to DIY their wedding photo shoots. Or perhaps you want to teach about portrait photography, nature photography, animal photography, and so on. Whatever it is, if there's a gap or your audience wants to learn about it or need help with it, then yes, you can turn it into a course. Do you have a business or are you a service provider? If you are a social media manager, then perhaps many people are asking you how you got started in your social media management business. If that is the case, maybe it's a great course idea itself. Maybe you're currently coaching about fitness or mindset and you are working with people one-on-one and you know that it's taking so much of your time already. So you want to scale from one-on-one into one-to-many model. If you create your course right now, you can serve more people without even compromising your time anymore because you can teach one-to-many. Do you have an audience online? Maybe you're an influencer or a vlogger. Have you tried asking your audience about what they want to learn from you? If not, then I highly recommend that you actually ask them. Do an Instagram poll, a Facebook story poll, and ask them what they want to learn from you. From their answers, you are going to find a pattern. And from there, you can identify what your course will be about. You see, now is the best time to create your online course. Jump in the bandwagon, they say. And beyond that, this is a great opportunity for you to make a bigger income and impact without compromising more of your time. Isn't that sweet? If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button below and comment below what is holding you back from creating a course. Let me know, maybe I can help. Now, if you actually want to get help in creating your course, maybe you want someone to guide you through the process or teach you how to do it, or help you in actually creating and setting up your course because you don't have much time to do it, then consider booking a call with me to see how I can support you. I'd always be happy to help. You may simply go to myrrakate.com/links or the link in the description box below and find the button to book a call with me. Now, please note that there is limited availabilities for this, so these are only for people who are actually serious and 100% committed to creating their online course. If that is you, please book a call with me. If that's not, then probably just follow me on Instagram where you can get more tips and strategies from me. In there, I also post about the behind the scenes in working on the courses of my clients and also my own courses. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and consider watching this playlist if you want to learn more about course creation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!